It's been an amazing week in Berrien Springs. We've seen our site get leveled, the footer get poured, and then the forms started going up for the retaining wall. Tactical tree experts in excavating is working with us to help us achieve our goals, and we're so very thankful for them. But they put up 100+ feet of forms. And then when the site was ready, the big truck rolled in. This was the pumper truck. They were going to take that truck with a 100-foot boom. They were going to stretch it out over the chasm that represents where all the backfilling still needed to be done. And they would take 3.5 trucks of concrete and they would fill these forms. Now, when you do forms, you have to be concerned that you might get a blowout, that something could fall over, that your wall won't be as straight as you want it to be, but these guys did a great job. It was cold when they were putting those forms up. It was not ideal working conditions, but they pressed together and they put in 5,000 form wedges to connect this great big long wall. When the first truck came, it was wonderfully encouraging to see that truck pumping its concrete. There was a moment in time when the nozzle on the concrete truck wasn't working, and he had to go out there with a sledgehammer and bang on it, and then all of a sudden, out it came. When the final truck came and went, it was wonderful to see concrete all the way up to the top of the forms. Well, those forms sat there for a little over a day. It wasn't long after that that the forms started coming off, and I'm here to tell you today that the forms are off, the wall is up, we hauled in 600 more tons of sand, and right now the Amish are on the site.